What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to remove Microsoft Word document password. So stay tuned. So what I'm going to do now is just to come over here to the document. Let's open it, and let me just input the password. And then to remove the password, all you have to do is just come over here to your office button, then scroll down to where we have prepare, then we have encrypt document, click on it, and then all you just have to do is just to remove the password there and just click on OK, and then just save it. And once you close it down and open that document, you'll see that it will come without asking you, you open without asking you of password. So that's how you remove password on your Word document. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.